Hey, servus, Markus, wie geht es dir? Wie war die Reise von Hongkong nach München? Ist das perfekt? Perfekt. Dieses Semester 2007, Semester B, das ist sehr, sehr super. Ich bin sehr glücklich, dass wir uns in City University so kennengelernt. I still remember that the first time I saw you in Austria. It was in the student Wohnheim with Bernhard, Simona Day. They're really happy, and I still remember at that time your hair is really, really short and really, really tall too, really, really tall too. And then I think, yeah, it's true, you're really tall. Especially I always told you in the MTR, yeah, in the train. Wow, the tallest guy, CFP people easily really tall. As we also say that, yeah, you are the second tallest guy among the exchange students, yeah, really, 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 really tall. And then the things in my mind, I always remember when I say Markus, and I must remember that in FH party, wow, you are a really good dancer, yeah, and good drinker too, of course. At that time, last year, I thought, wow, too active, you dance too active, too crazy, because but it was really fun. I think nowadays, I think it is really fun. I hope next year in Shire or in Hong Kong, if you can come back, it will be really super, and then I must dance like you. I have to learn how to dance like you. It's really happy. Yeah, I hope I can learn some from you next year, and hope to dance with you in FH party and with Roland. Too crazy. I think next year I know how to dance. Super. Because this semester, Madalena, Christina, Barbara, they taught me a lot. I think at least I learned something. Super. No problem. Next year, no problem. And then, in my mind, you are also a really good listener and a really patient guy. Really patient. Every time I talk with you, I feel really good because I can talk a lot. Just like talk continuously, maybe 4 minutes. And you are a really good listener. I just like a radio, and you are a listener, really good. And I really want to learn something from you. If I got 10% from you, it will be super. Because if I can be 10% from you, good listener, patient guy, it will be super for me because I'm impatient. Not good listener, talk, always interrupt people, but you don't. So yesterday you taught me, you don't interrupt people, you will let them finish what they want to say first. And then I'm learning, and I found it, yes, I always interrupt people. I should learn something from you. So next year, I hope I can tell you, Markus, I already did it. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, I won't interrupt people. I won't talk really quick. Talk in the long speed, something like that. Yeah, I hope I can learn more from you in the future. And thank you for everything for me. It's really happy to know you. And but the time's go really quick, really sad. 1 year already gone. Yeah. And then tomorrow is your last day, and then have to say bye-bye again. Yeah, have to say bye-bye. We say bye-bye in Austria, and then this time have to say bye-bye, but in Hong Kong. But I love to say hi instead of bye-bye. It's so sad. Ich hoffe, dass wir uns in 2008 in Österreich oder in Hongkong sehen. Könnten wir später in Shire zu die FH-Party zusammengehen? Ich glaube, es wird super. Endlich mein Eltern, Papa, Mama, Schwester und ich wünschten, dass du viel Glück hast und alles Gute hast und wunderbar Leben in Österreich hast. Super. Und bis später. But this time, really, see you later. Hope you have a really good future in Austria and in Europe, and also hope you come back to Hong Kong soon. Hope to see you soon. See you later. Thank you everything, and see you later. Keep in touch, email or letter. See you. Bye bye, Markus. Bye bye.
Schön, danke sehr, liebe Plattenfirma. Jetzt gibt die Kohle endlich her.